Brand new with mind power, keeping your cranium in clean condition.
Guys, I have the most amazing news! I've spent all my money.
I'm still waiting for the amazing news.
Why would you do that?
Well, I'm taking an economics class, so I thought I'd get really into investing.
You should be investing in a better closet.
Says the one dressed like a high school English teacher.
It is called Modest Comfort Chic, and it is very popular.
Yeah, with high school English teachers.
Hey, that's not fair. My sister dresses like that, and she's not a high school English teacher. She's a high school math teacher.
I thought you had a brother.
What did I say?
You said sister.
What did I say?
Says the one dressed like a high school English teacher.
Well, what did you invest in?
It's this new computer thing. It's a low-risk, high-profit opportunity for up-and-coming youths.
That was my nickname in high school.
So, how much money did you spend on this?
Oh, I got it for a bargain. A flat fee of $5,000. My sample should be coming today, so if you hear the doorbell, assume it's for me.
What if I ordered a pizza?
It's for me.
What if I'm expecting mail?
It's for me.
I wonder who it's for.
Here it is, guys. This is the future.
The future is a lot smaller than I imagined.
You know, I think this is a great lesson in financial literacy.
More like financial illiteracy.
I didn't know it was possible to be economically challenged.
Well, it, looks well made.
Yeah, that's what they said about the Titanic.
Wait, so you wear it on your head?
No, you wear it as a backpack.
I'm wearing this. This isn't real. I'm wearing this. I'm testing this for you. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out right goddamn now. I know you can fucking hear me. Let me out.
Subject 008 experiencing complications. Permission granted to reset.
I know you can hear me. La 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 la. It's not fucking funny. Let me out. You! Fuck you! Let me out! Let me go! Let me go, please!